Hey guys, hope you all are doing pretty well. I'm sure you all love stamping nail art, as anyone can do wonders with creating different patterns and design with the help of stamping nail plate and stampers. But what if your new or your old stamper stops working all of a sudden? Well, don't worry. There are few quick fixes for this problem. Actually, these days I tried couple of methods and that's the reason I'm sharing those methods that works perfectly for me. And believe me guys, if you try these methods, you don't face the problem with your stamper in any case. Trick 1. First, clean it with tape or a lint roller, because by cleaning the surface of nail stamp head with liquid like remover or acetone, the plastic or the silicone head may lose its adhesion, thereby losing the ability to capture the full pattern from the nail plate. So you can just roll the lint roller or can apply scotch tape on the surface of the nail stamp head and make beautiful designs with just one touch. After this, clean your stamping plate with a remover and try doing stamping again. But if you are still not satisfied, try this second trick. Well, I am trying Bon Petit's new stamping plate here. It's already having instructions how to use. As I am trying new stamping plate of Bon Petit Kunkat, I am trying my new stamper. So what I found is that it's not picking up the design well. So I tried the specific technique. I take the jelly stamper out of the holder and lay it on a piece of tissue paper, cover it, and I leave it overnight. And you won't believe it friends, as the next morning there is an oil stains under the stamper, because the tissue paper pulls the oil down from the stamper, as a lot of stamping polishes leave some oil behind and you can get it away with that. And then you can see the changes. The stamper is nice and sticky again. I put back the stamper head to its holder and tried doing stamping again just to check is the trick is working or not. But wow, it works like a wonder. My stamper head started picking up the design so well, so neatly and nicely. I'm glad that it works. Then I tried trick 3, that is priming and prepping. For that, you need a little amount of warm water, liquid dishwasher, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. First, let me tell you what is priming and prepping a stamper means. All the stampers have a shining layer on the top which needs to be removed in order to work properly. This shiny layer is known as sticky or oily layer. Well, basically not all stampers need priming. Always clean the stamper head with lint roller or a scotch tape. Then stamp and check, and then if you are still not happy with the pickup, then follow this method step by step for priming the stamper head. As you can see, I've tried my stamper head, but it's not picking up the design well, which creates disappointment. And sometimes we leave it as it is in thought that we are not going to try this stamping nail art again. But before trying third trick, I will prefer to clean my stamping plate first. After cleaning my stamping plate with nail remover and spraying few drops of sanitizer, because it never dulls the shine the stamping plate has. Now let me show you the easiest way to prime a clean stamper head with easily available stuff at home. After taking the half glass of lukewarm water, I am adding few drops of liquid soap. Even you guys can add some drops of dishwashing liquid, but here I am using normal liquid soap and a teaspoon full of lemon juice, and just stir it well. After that, place the clear stamper in the mixture and let it sit for 5 to 10 seconds and then gently rub and clean it with your fingers. This method is easy and gives you 100% result. Now, after giving it 5 to 10 seconds, you can put it in tissue paper and dab it lightly to wipe off the water. After washing and cleaning and drying the stamper head, you can now start putting the stamper head back to the stamper holder again and start trying stamping again. And remember friends, just try to do 1 or 2 smooth scraps as per the design, because the less scrapping you will do, the brighter print you will get. Since every time you scrap, you also remove the polish from the grooves of the blade. That's the reason I usually prefer 1 scrap. Now see this guys, after using these tricks, my stamper start working so gracefully and effortlessly. This is what we actually expect from our stamper, right? As you all can see that these stampers start picking up the design in one go. And these tricks are easy to follow, but I wanted to share my experience even. Well, I really want you guys to know that I tried few flop methods also before trying these tricks. And one of them is I buffed them watching few videos and also use acetone on stamper head, and after that I ruined it. So my advice is never buff the stamper head as it tears up and loses its transparency and becomes blurry and cloudy. Then we cannot use it anymore. Even the acetone nail remover thinner has harsh chemicals in them which ruins the nail stamper. So better avoid these tricks. Now you all can notice the designs picked up by my all the stamper head just after using these 3 tricks. At the end, I am sharing few nail art designs which I created after using these tricks from my stamping head. I am sure this is going to be helpful video for you all. Thank you friends, thanks for watching, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe my channel. Take care, stay safe, God bless you all, see you soon.